What's up, guys? It's Mike. Today I'm going to be showing you all the items I have in my possession. Alright, I've been traveling for about 4 years now. Honestly, it's crazy to me to believe that it's been 4 years since I took that first backpacking trip to Southeast Asia. But here we are now. I have less stuff than when I started 4 years ago, and I'm trying to have even less stuff in the future than I have now. But here we are now. It's all good. So I'm going to show you all my stuff. I'm going to show you how I pack it into my backpack. I'll show you how much it weighs. Spoiler alert, it's very light. So essentially all the stuff I'm going to show you is really everything I own. Last time I came home to Kentucky was about a month ago, and I had a huge yard sale with my parents. I even helped them get rid of some of their stuff, and I got rid of a bunch of clutter that was in my room, that just stuff I wasn't using. And I sold a lot of it on Facebook Marketplace, and I made some money, and then now I'm able to use that money to do what I love, like travel and eat lots of fruit. I do still have my car back home, but my sister is about to buy that, so won't have that anymore. And maybe I do have one or two guitars that are just hanging out at home. So I guess this isn't technically all the stuff that I own, but I don't bring those guitars with me. I just play them when I go back home to visit. So this is really all the stuff that I bring with me. All right, now I'm gonna show you everything I got. Let's go. All right, guys, so these are pretty much all the possessions that I have, that I carry with me, that I travel with me, and it all fits into this bag. Don't mind any of this stuff around here. This is not my apartment. I'm just a guest here in Catalonia. I'll go ahead and start with the clothes. So this is my hat. This is probably one of the items that I use the most these days. As you can see, it's pretty dirty and it's pretty worn out. I like to spend a lot of time in the sun, so I'm not really much of a sunglasses kind of guy. I'm just more of a hat guy. So there's my hat. I've got 5 shirts right here, including 6. I'm wearing 1 shirt, and I have a 7th shirt that's in the laundry. So I have 7 shirts. 1, 2, and another one are tank tops. So I have 3 tank tops. And actually, I have not really been wearing this one or this one recently, so might need to get rid of something. You know, if you don't wear something for quite a while, then might be time to get rid of it. And then I have 1, 2, 3 just normal t-shirts. Really been rocking this blue one for many days in a row now. And I have 1 long sleeve tee, which I haven't really worn because I haven't been anywhere cold. It's pretty hot here in Barcelona. And before that I was in Louisville. It was also hot. Before that I was in Mexico. It was also hot. So I kind of got this with the intention of, because it's a very lightweight material, if I was going to do some volunteering, like building some adobe houses or doing some farm work on some land somewhere, then I thought it'd be nice to have this long sleeve tee to kind of cover my arms from getting burnt. But I just haven't been doing that kind of stuff recently, so this shirt has not been seeing much use, but I'm gonna hang on to it for now. All right, so here's my shorts and pants. I got 1, 2, 3 pairs of shorts, and I basically never take off these blue ones. They probably need a good wash. I haven't really been wearing these maroon shorts lately. I just been feeling the blue, as you can see, just feeling the blue vibes all over, you know, it matches the eyes, you know, so. And I got this other pair of shorts. These are my swim shorts. Yeah, so I just use these for swimming, and yeah. And then I have this 1 pair of pants, which is also by the same company as this, and this Viore. Check it out, really comfortable stuff. Yeah, these are just super lightweight material, really light pants, like a jogger almost. And yeah, I haven't really needed to wear pants in a long time, but if I do, I have this pair. And yeah, and here is this packing towel that I was gifted in from some friends in Mexico City. Shout out to Yared and Bernardo. This thing is awesome. It has all these native Mexican creatures on here, and it packs down really small. It's super lightweight and very absorbent. So honestly, I can go to the beach, get wet, or take a shower, and I can dry myself off with this towel. I promise you, I've done it many times before. This thing can soak up all the water on my body, and then it dries quick. I mean, so this thing is really just the perfect towel. I highly recommend something like that if you like to swim. All right, here we got my passport, obviously. I like to travel, so you need that. I have a journal here with Shia LaBeouf. Just do it! Do it! Go vegan. I have some stickers here. Heisenberg. Come on, now gotta have the Heisenberg, and some other stickers. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these stickers yet, but I'll find a use for them later, I guess, maybe, or I'll give them away. I got my wallet here. Trust me, this is not real Louis Vuitton. I'm not rich like that. I got this in Vietnam for a few dollars. So I got my wallet here with my ID and some credit cards. Got these earbuds. You know, I've had a lot of the expensive Bluetooth stuff, but honestly, I just don't listen to music as much as I used to with like headphones. You know, I like to listen to music, you know, with a speaker with other people. I'm not as antisocial about it as I used to be, so I just have these little earbuds for you know, taking phone calls and listening to music very occasionally, so these are good enough for me. Here I just have a bunch of different currencies from different places in the world. Actually, this is Honduras, and I haven't been to Honduras. I just found this in my house. I don't know what it was doing there, but I just have it in here. But all these other places, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, Mexico, I have some bills in here. And yeah, so I just it's kind of my little collection, a very lightweight collection, you know what I mean, of currencies from different countries that I go to. And some patches. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these patches, and some stickers, and some passport photos. Just some very lightweight stuff in here. Yeah. Here I got my cards. Gotta bring a deck of cards or something when you go traveling, because, you know, it's just good to be that person that has a deck of cards, you know. I love card games, so. And in here I have a couple of like SIM cards and memory cards in this little pocket here that I'm filming with one hand, so kind of hard to show you, but oh, there we go. I think it's this pocket. No, it's the other pocket. So I got some SIM cards and some SD cards in here, and I also keep, you know, these in here to protect them from damage or whatever. So moving on to the toiletries. So I used to travel with just like these cheap straight razors, you know, that you can find at any store, and some shaving cream, and that meant that I basically had to shave all of my face down to the skin, or I had to find some pair of scissors like this if I wanted to trim my beard, and I was always just trimming it unevenly with these scissors. That was just a mess, so I finally decided about a year ago to upgrade to this electric razor by Wall, and this thing is awesome. It's heavy, unfortunately. It weighs about 1 pound, so I really hate that it takes up that much weight in my bag, but it's worth it. This thing is just super quality razor. And I just bring these 4 little plastic like hair clipper setting gears. You know, I'm not really growing the Dumbledore beard like I used to. I keep it pretty short these days, so I don't really need too many. I could probably get rid of this one, honestly, because I kind of keep my beard around this length. But yeah, and then we got some nail clippers and some little scissors, which I use sometimes to trim my beard as well, but yeah. And then I got my bamboo toothbrush. I like to always buy a bamboo toothbrush when I need a new toothbrush because it's more just environmentally friendly. Shout out to my friends at Dork Dancing. And then I like to write little messages on my toothbrush as well. This one says, "I am now." It's just kind of like stay in the present, be present, you know. And so I keep all of these toiletries in this little bag that I have, super lightweight toiletry bag. It's made out of recycled materials. As you can see, it can just like crumble down. It's kind of like water resistant as well, so yeah. And then I got my phone charger and my backpack. Oh, and a few more things I forgot to show you were these pins and Sharpies that I keep inside this pocket in case I need to, you know, write something down. I do keep this one reusable mask in here just because, you know, some places require a mask at the airport or something like that. And here I keep, if I can get it out, this wooden silverware kit. I just keep it like keychained into here so it doesn't fall out. Yeah, this thing's super convenient, you know. You got your chopsticks, spoon, fork, knife, and bamboo straw, you know, in case I'm eating a meal on the go and I don't want to use these plastic utensils that people want to give me. And I like using chopsticks. It's fun. And the bamboo straw definitely comes in handy. So really love this thing, and it doesn't take up a lot of weight or a lot of space. It just fits perfectly in. All right,
so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I actually pack my bag. So here's my backpack. It's pretty small. It's the Tom Ben Synapse in the 25-liter variant. It's just kind of a big bucket on the inside there. So first I like to put in my pants and my long sleeve shirt into the bottom because I go to a lot of hot places. I prefer the heat, so I don't really need to use those items as much, so I just kind of stuff them in the bottom. Here's all my clothes rolled up and packed into this little Eagle Creek packing cube. And here's a pro tip: put that packing cube against your back instead of your laptop. It'll feel much better when you're walking around. And then I just kind of take my hat and I shove it into this little pocket that's on the inside of the main compartment of the bag so that I can access it quickly. Now in this side pocket, here's the cutlery kit that I was showing you earlier. I just keep that thing keychained inside, and I also keep this this little pouch with the cards inside this pocket as well. In this pocket on the other side, I keep my toiletry kit with my razor and everything. It just fits perfectly into that pocket, so that's convenient. Now there's two pockets on the front, kind of a medium one and a small one. I like to put my journal and some stickers, my passport and everything in one of these pockets. And I usually don't keep it in here when I'm actually like traveling in an airport or in the city. Cause you know, that's kind of easy to steal my passport right there. So, you know, I usually keep it locked away somewhere safe, but this is just an example. And then, you know, I can keep my wallet and the money and my earbuds in this other pocket in the front. And then this bottom compartment is basically just a big bucket pouch. So I like to put all my chargers and everything down there at the bottom. Unfortunately, this charger for my razor is huge. It takes up a lot of space and it's actually pretty heavy. I would love to get a smaller one, but it's the one I have for now. So yeah, just keep all those cables down there at the bottom. That's pretty much it. So this is how the bag looks on me. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. All my possessions. Hopefully that gives you a better understanding of the items that I like to keep in my bag, the things that serve me, that I choose to bring with me everywhere I go. And what I think is cool is that I don't need to, you know, identify with these things and say like, all right, I can't have anything else, just this. No, if I want, you know, if I want to bring a guitar with me for a few months, you know, I can buy a guitar and I can bring that with me. You know, I used to travel with some cameras, and then I stopped using those so much, so I couldn't justify bringing them anymore because I wasn't using them. So I ditched those. And you know, I used to have a laptop as well, and I wasn't using that too much, and it had some problems, so I ditched that. You know, and maybe in the future I'll want a laptop again, so I'll buy another one. You know, so the things I have are to an extent constantly changing. You know, getting rid of this. Oh, I don't wear this anymore. Donate. Oh, I need a new rain jacket or whatever. You know, so things change. At the end of the day, I just like to keep my bag pretty light because I just feel best when I'm not lugging around a super heavy backpack. But everyone has their own style. For me, what I feel is maybe the most important is that if something is not serving me anymore, it's time to let it go. And that could be applied in all aspects of life, not just the stuff that you travel with. So alright everyone, thanks for watching this one. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you want to keep seeing more of my stuff, it would be best to subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that like button because I guess it helps me out. So they say, with the algorithm or something. I don't know. Like it if you want. Drop a comment down below if you have anything you want to say. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.